members, we want them connecting with each other. So if you've got you're a copywriter, you would have your name in there that says you're a copywriter. You can write copy. You write emails, you write sales letters, you do all this work. Other members are going to find you and hopefully hire you. So we're also using it as a way for people to help out each other. And we'll be doing live webinars and live teleseminars and we've got a bunch of other bonuses and stuff like that.
Yeah, they'll actually have a private message board. Is that correct?
Yeah, that is set up, and we just got to add a couple things.
Can we talk about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's yours.
So you guys have a private message board where Monday through Thursday, because I just quit working weekends a few months ago, Monday through Thursday, you can come in and get help from me. I answer the help. I get on the private message board about every 24 hours and look at any questions, and I can tell you, okay, this is how you go fix this real quick. It's basically going, hey Liz, I need help right now. Can you help me with this? And I come in there and go, okay, we'll have to discuss this on a webinar. You also meet with me once a week via webinar. So you say, okay, well, I'm having trouble getting my squeeze page up, or this URL's doing this thing, or I can't get my blog installed correctly, or I'm having trouble with this plugin. Any of the techie stuff, you come meet with me via webinar. There's a whole group of us that get on. It's just a big Q&A session. And I'm there until you guys are done with your questions. Huge benefit, especially for those of you who are not techie. It's basically like having a webmaster that'll tell you how to do it. I'm not going to do it for you because I'm not a webmaster. But I will tell you I'll show you how to do it so you can go do it for yourself.
We're going to do it a little different with me. I'm actually going to give you the times where I'm available at my desk in my office. So I'm going to block off times each month, at least 2 time periods, a block, where I'm just going to be sitting there. Anyone in the coaching program can call me. We're going to try to keep the calls to 10 minutes. So it's going to have to be like one problem that you have or one idea that you need answered or frustration. I'm just going to pick up the phone as it rings. So no one else is going to hear it. It's going to be one-on-one. So if it's something private or private URL, I'm not going to have time to jump over and check out opt-in pages and download pages and all this funky stuff. But if it's something that you need personal help on, quick 5-10 minute call, I'll just be sitting there as the phone rings. I just keep on answering the phone. So that's how.
Do I have access to that?
No, because you're just calling up and swearing at me is not
for 5 and 10 minutes at a time.
No.
Yes.
You had a question?
Is this $197? Is this your discount?
Yes.
It is. What is the normal price? May I ask?
We're going to roll it out at $497.
$497? Whoa.
So
good deal.
So inside the Send Button Profits, it still has that lower price. So people that want to go in there and you click it, and you can see some of the stuff we're offering. It's already what we've talked about, and plus I'm sure we're forgetting stuff. You can see it in there.
Yeah, this isn't like some pitch we have been thinking about and planning. We don't have a PowerPoint presentation. We were like, oh, maybe we should tell them about the coaching. Yeah, let's do that.
I know. Right?
Yeah, and so this is not a pitch. This is just giving. You guys have been asking, and we're telling.
And as far as your the webinars or teleseminars, how long are the seminars or the teleseminars?
They're just webinars. I don't do teleseminars. I do webinars.
Webinars. Oh, okay.
Webinars. I'm there until you guys are done asking me questions. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's great.
Yeah, it's a really cool little system. You come in there, and I see your little names. And if you want to ask me a question, you hold up your hand. I unmute you. You ask your question. You get to hear everybody talking the whole 9 yards.
Oh, great.
Same thing you have access to with my other thing. Yep.
All right, guys. Oh, another question over here. Oh, go back. Go ahead.
Quick question. Are the webinars recorded?
Yes.
So that if you're not able to be there at that time.
Yep, and for you guys who are on all kinds of different time schedules, as usually is what I do, is sometimes they're every other week they're at 2 p.m. Eastern, and every other week they're at 9 p.m. Eastern. And that really helps, especially from my little people across the pond. They get so excited when I have 2 p.m. webinars because they don't have to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Is that posted on the forums?
No, this is a totally different coaching program than what you're in.
Oh, but as far as your the
webinar
replay,
times?
yeah, the replays. Where would I find that?
Now, I don't have control of the site as far as where things are going to be uploaded, but there will be a part where you can click on webinars, what time they'll be, how to get access. Here's the recordings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it actually says live coaching is the link that people go to, and you see what's coming up, and you can listen to it live. Or then we throw it in a different area for the recordings. And another cool thing we're doing, and I've already done one call where it was pretty similar to the one for my $1 million launch. That one webinar was different. I was online. I was actually opening up all the pages instead of doing screenshots. Well, that was, I don't even know, an hour. But what we're doing for just the members of the coaching is we're giving that, the whole thing, create a product, create graphics. We're making that into a product and giving you giveaway rights, resale rights, or whatever you want to do.
We'll be doing that
with
a lot for our coaching people, a whole lot.
Yeah, so if you see a lot of different things we're doing, a lot of times we're taping it, going to make graphics, and then giving it to the coaching people to do whatever they want with it and let them pass it on or whatever you want to do with
Sell
it.
it,
Throw it on
whatever.
your blog, sell it. Any other questions? Did you have something?
I was just going to say, if we join your coaching program, are we really concentrating on one thing at a time?
Yep.
Yeah, it follows in the sequence
Yep.
of what we've been talking about. And doing that, that extra, like if you need HTML help, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Another question. How long is this price good for?
Next 10 minutes.
Well, I haven't thought about. I didn't foresee taking it down in the next week because I know we have a lot of members in there, some profits that we were getting, because we were so busy. We're getting people that were failing as they were coming in buying the product. I mean, for 3 hours. So we had a lot of people that never saw certain things. So we just told them we'll keep it up. We'll keep the same pricing. You can go in and click it and check it out again. A lot of times, first chance they had to check it out, make a decision. But I don't think we've ever told them a time. So today's Sunday, for sure a week, because I've got to announce it, I guess, to everyone. I haven't done that yet. Announce it to the list yet. Anything else, guys? All right, that wraps up this segment. Thanks, guys.